Portfolio Optimizer is an exciting tool that generates the ideal portfolio allocations and holdings you need to achieve your strategy. In just a few clicks, Portfolio Optimizer takes care of all the backend calculation associated with your portfolio construction objectives. You can insert any model portfolio within your YCharts account, select a custom time frame, and then choose a strategy such as maximizing Sharpe ratio, achieving a target return or standard deviation, or simply minimizing standard deviation altogether. Let's say you'd like to target a 7% return for a client's portfolio. All you need to do is select that strategy, input 7%, confirm your look-back period, and hit calculate. Portfolio Optimizer takes care of the rest, and in just a few seconds, it will show an efficient frontier with where your portfolio currently sits, how an optimized portfolio stacks up, along with all of your portfolio's current holdings. But Portfolio Optimizer doesn't stop there. You will also be provided with a performance chart for that look-back period, one which, in this case, has the optimized strategy outperforming the current portfolio. The chart is also accompanied by a summary of key metrics as well as the specific holdings and weights for your newly optimized portfolio. You can then click Export as Model Portfolio up at the top to automatically create a model portfolio containing the suggested holdings and continue your analysis from there. Portfolio Optimizer works hand in hand with our universe of stocks and funds, model portfolios, fundamental charts, and is great for researchers to presenters and everyone in between. Get started with Portfolio Optimizer today by starting a 7-day free trial or reaching out to your support contact with any questions.